What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats back with a POV. As y'all can see, it's a nice, lovely, sunny day outside, man. So we're finna get this POV going and popping, man. You feel me? Gotta get these videos out. Gotta get this stuff back banging, man. Gotta get this stuff back going, but make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. You know what I'm saying? Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You feel me? Trying to figure out where I want to go to get y'all boys the best POV, man, and not make it too short. Y'all see we in that sport mode today, man. Something slight, cuz. Well, yeah, man. I know I ain't give y'all a good intro. I'm driving. I ain't really, you know what I'm saying, peeping. I'm just peeping the scene right quick. You know what I'm saying? You gotta watch the surrounding, man. You doing these videos. If you know, you know. If you don't, then you just don't. But yeah, again, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. You know what I'm saying? Going up all 2024. Come on, man. Yeah, man, I really ain't got too much to say. Y'all boys just watch a nigga drive, cuz. But yeah, man. But yeah, how y'all boys doing, man? You know what I'm saying? What's going on with your car crew? You know what I'm saying? Future car crew, if you're watching right now, hit that sub button, man. Get your boy to 20K the quick way. You know what I'm saying? We ain't no Olivia with it. You feel me? Is that the pig boys in front of me? Yeah, man, y'all see it's a lovely day outside, man. Lovely, purty day. Nice little purty day, man. Bro, there's no way you let this light turn yellow, bro. Bro, that's insane. Bro, folk be tripping, bro. Ain't no way you just let that light turn yellow, turn red, and you sitting in the middle of the street. But yeah, man. Anyway, I don't know what to really say right now. Cause I did this out of the spur of the moment. Literally, I wasn't planning on doing no video. But I was like, man, you feel me? It's a nice day. I'm trying to get these videos back out for y'all, boy, man. Just being more consistent. You feel me? And building us up, man. Getting us to that 20K. Whether it's a slow grind or it's a fast grind. I know my videos ain't gonna really go viral. You know what I'm saying? I hope they do every time I post one, but you know, that's up to y'all, boy, for it to do that. Y'all just gotta hit that like button. I don't understand how folks still ain't learned how YouTube work, man. That's why all the other YouTubers you watch tell you to hit the like button, man. The like button, you know what I'm saying? Had to get Shawty right, she tripping. But yeah, the like button, man, it pushes the video out. The more likes it get, it pushes the video out to newer people, you feel me? And then we get bigger. We get bigger and bigger together as a family, you know what I'm saying? I know that's what y'all want. Look at that Camaro. yeah, man, I know y'all want us to get bigger. I know y'all want to see me get a cat one day. That's how we get a cat, man. We got to work together. Y'all just think like, oh, you know what I'm saying? We ain't going to like the video. We'll watch about 2 minutes of it, and that going to help. That don't help, cuz. Y'all know how this junk go, man. Y'all know how that go, man. Like the video. Get the video to 50 to 100 likes. We need every video to get 100 likes this year. You know what I'm saying? 100 likes every video within a week or two. I'm telling y'all, bro. Just watch how far that goes. Just 100 of y'all just like the video, bro. Just show support. If you support me, bro, just like the video. You know what I'm saying? Even if you don't watch the whole video, at least like it. You feel me? That's all I ask from y'all, man. That's it, man. I know y'all want to see me get that cat. That's how we're going to get the cat. Y'all like the video. Y'all like the video, you feel me? And then you get pushed in the algorithm. We get more subscribers. You know what I'm saying? More views. More avenue watch. I mean, I say avenue watch. More ad watch. You feel me? Stick 'em. But yeah, y'all boys do that, I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. I'm telling y'all, boy, man. Y'all boys just gotta listen to me. Y'all boys gotta listen to me. I ain't gonna steer y'all wrong, man. I ain't gonna steer y'all boy wrong, man. We all trying to eat together. But yeah, y'all boys just do that for me, man. I highly, highly, highly appreciate it. You feel me? I highly appreciate it. We got a little traffic right now, but yeah, man, I highly appreciate that, man. Y'all boys just like the video, man. Comment too, but you know, I know commenting a little bit too much. That's too much to ask for, it seems like. Y'all boys just like it. You ain't doing nothing pressing the button. Nobody don't know who you is. Just hit the like button, bro. Trying to get that 20K so we can get that cat. I know y'all want to hear that whine, bro. So when I get that cat, just watch how the platform just go crazy. I'm telling you, I ain't gonna take but a couple videos. First video just gonna be, you know what I'm saying, y'all that's here not watching, tapping in, being excited for your boy. Then the next 2-3 videos, they're gonna be like, oh, it's another nigga with a cat on the tube. And y'all know how I get. And I just been chilling with Olivia cause, you feel me, like I done did all, I ain't gonna say all I can do, but like as far as driving wise and showing y'all boy how to, you know what I'm saying, how to really get down. I done did that in the scat. Just imagining a cat, bro. Y'all know y'all boy love them cats, man. Y'all boy know y'all love them cats, man. I love them cats too. So get your boy right, cuz. You know what I'm saying? That's it. But yeah, man, I want to get a nice little, smooth little POV real quick, man. Finna grab something right quick. Cari crew. I just want to get y'all, boy, you know what I'm saying, a quick video while I'm handling business. So I'm running a little errands today, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Gotta take care of a little business. But yeah, man, y'all boy, make sure y'all hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button, man. Get this video to 50 to 100 likes, man. 50 to 100 likes, Cari crew. I need that. We need that. But yeah, man. That's pretty much it. Like I always say in all the end of my video, man, for all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the mix, man. Stay prayed up, build that faith, man, and trust in him. Trust in him, man, and just continue to pray and talk to him, build that relationship, bro. You feel me? I know we ain't perfect. I know sometimes people think it's lame. You feel me? But without God, bro, it'd be nothing. Literally, it'd be nothing. So y'all boy remember that. Without God, it'd be nothing, man. He the reason why you still here watching this video right now. And got the internet to watch this video right now. So y'all boy, make sure y'all never forget that. But yeah, man. Like I also said at the end of my videos, I'm out of here. Like yesterday. Peace.